Myself Krishna Damale from M Farm first year. Today I am going to give seminar on brief introduction to cosmeceutical products. The content involved in the seminar is introduction, definition, sun protection, classification of sunscreen, regulatory aspects, dry skin, acne, pigmentation, wrinkles, prickly heat, body odor, dandruff, bleeding gum, sensitive teeth, dental cavities and mouth odor. The term cosmeceutical is defined as a cosmeceutical is an ingredient with medicinal properties which manifest beneficial topical action and provide protection against degenerative skin conditions. It is unlike other cosmetic as it provides medicinal properties. It gives topical benefits and provide protection to the skin. The term cosmeceutical was coined in 1980 by the dermatologist Albert Kligman. Cosmeceuticals are basically a combination of cosmetics and pharmaceutics. It benefits skin aesthetically as well as medicinally. According to Food, Drug and Cosmetic Act, cosmetics and drug is defined. Cosmetics is defined as article intended to be rubbed, poured, sprinkled or sprayed on, introduced into or otherwise applied to the human body for cleaning, beautifying, promoting attractiveness or altering the appearance. The drug is defined as articles intended for use in the diagnosis, cure, mitigation, treatment or prevention of disease, and articles intended to affect the structure or any function of the body of man or other animals. In the cosmeceuticals, drug is incorporated in the cosmetics. Cosmeceuticals can be classified into three types as agent affecting on skin, hair and others. In skin, we have cosmeceuticals like deodorant, moisturizer, facial product, creams, lotions and perfumes. In hair, we have cosmeceuticals like hair colorant, conditioner, gels and creams. And in other, we have toothpaste and powders. First, we will start with the skin, the major area in which cosmeceuticals works on the sun protection. So we will have a basic introduction for the sun protection provided by cosmeceuticals. Radiation of wavelength from 2000 to 2500 angstrom penetrate the blood vessels reaching the papillary layer. From 3200 to 3900 angstrom reach dermal layer. From 2800 to 3200 angstrom are both erythemogenic and pigmentogenic. More than 3900 angstrom, it will give heating action. Intensity of erythema depend on absorption of ultraviolet radiation. The more amount of ultraviolet radiation absorbed by the skin, the more will be the intensity of erythema. Due to exposure to sunlight, our skin gets tanned. There are three types of skin tanning. First, immediate tanning, second, delayed tanning, and third, true tanning. Sunburns are the result of damage or destruction of cell in the prickle cell layer of epidermis. Sunburns are caused due to damage and destruction of cell in the epidermis. Histamine-like substance released by the damaged or destroyed cell causes dilation of blood vessels and erythema. This substance also causes swelling of the skin and stimulate basal cells to proliferate. This is basic cause of skin erythema. Sunburn classified into 4 degrees. minimum erythema degree, vivid erythema degree, painful burn degree, blistering burn. To protect the skin from sunburn, we apply sunscreens. Now we are going to see what are sunscreens. Certain synthetic organic substances or sunscreens have molecular structure that are capable of filtering out the harmful UV rays by mechanism including absorption, reflection or diffusion. Sunscreen basically filters out the UV rays. Examples include avobenzone, sulisobenzone, aminobenzoic acid, titanium oxide, zinc oxide and others. Such ingredients appears in the FDA monograph on sunscreen agents. Sunscreens are regulated as over-the-counter drug by the FDA. The efficacy of sunscreen is measured as SPF, that is sun protection factor. Now we are going to see classification of sunscreen. First, physical sunscreen ingredients. It is highly effective means of sun protection. It is thick, leaving a white opaque appearance on the skin. Zinc oxide is a broad spectrum protective benefits with a high safety and stability profile. Zinc oxide is the mostly used physical sunscreen agents. It is considered the more wearable of the physical sunscreen as zinc formulas typically cause less of a white appearance on the skin compared to titanium dioxide. Micronized zinc is naturally anti-inflammatory, which gives it additional benefits when used to protect the erythema of sun exposure. Mechanism: scatters of reflected UV radiation due to large particle size. Due to large particle size, they reflect the sun rays. Therefore, they are noted as physical sunscreen. Z-Block is the marketed preparation which contains zinc oxide. Second, chemical sunscreen ingredient. Octisalate is part of salicylate family, includes homosalate and trolamine salicylate. This UVB sunscreen agent offers photostability and are considered non-sensitizing, making them a favorable choice from a formulation standpoint. Due to its weak UVB protection, it is often combined with other chemical or physical sunscreen agent. Octinoxate family cinnamates. Cinnamates are the most widely used as they do not stain clotting, are the least likely to cause an allergic reaction and provides excellent protection. Mechanism: these are organic substances capable of penetrating the dead chronocytes to absorb UV rays before they enter the skin. Due to application of these chemical agents, the absorption of UV rays is prevented. CeraVe is the marketed preparation which contains oxybenzoin. Now we are going to see combination of both chemical and physical. The combination of both physical and chemical sunscreen agents provides the most cosmetically elegant formulas. This is imperative for consistent patient compliance. Provide the most effective coverage across the entire UVA and UVB spectrum. When antioxidants are incorporated into a formulation, the end result is a superior sunscreen product that protects against UV damage. Due to application of this chemical agent and physical agent in combination, it provides greater benefits. Lotus is the marketed preparation which contains titanium dioxide as a physical ingredient and oxybenzoin as a chemical ingredient. Now we are going to see regulatory aspects. In the European Union, United States or Japan, cosmeceuticals are not regulated as such. In the European Union, cosmeceuticals are considered cosmetics. In the United States, they are considered as drugs that probably have not been approved by the US Food and Drug Administration, that is FDA. In Japan, cosmeceuticals are considered as quasi drugs. There exists no recognized legal definition of cosmeceuticals as compared to the legal definition of the cosmetics or the drug anywhere in the world. This was the worldwide scenario of the cosmeceuticals. Now we are going to see the Indian regulatory scenario of cosmeceuticals. In India, cosmetics definition is narrow and restrictive. Lack of execution guidelines of DNC Act for regulators for issues related to cosmetics such as non-uniform licensing approval across various states, inconsistent approach across authorities in interpretation of a particular issue, a product claim interpretation as well as illustration list of cosmetics cause difference in understanding between licensing authorities on products classification and hence delaying the process of product licensing and product trade cycle. Now we are going to see cosmeceuticals used in the dry skin. It is also called as xeroderma. It is condition involving the integumentary system which in most cases can safely be treated with emollients or moisturizer. Causes: weather, sun exposure, central heating or air conditioning, tight clothes or compression or aging. Cosmeceuticals used for treatment: cleansing, removing environmental pollutants or bacteria that causes unacceptable odor or skin infection. Example: synthetically produced detergent, cleanser and oil. Emollients, which seals moisture into the skin by protection of occlusive barrier, soften the skin. Example: mineral oils, waxes, fatty acids. Anti-itch, which reduce itching. Example: menthol, camphor, cold cream. Moisturizer, which protects or restore the skin. Cause hydration of stratum cornea. Example: alpha hydroxy acid such as lactic acid, glycolic acid and tartaric acid. The marketed preparation is Mederma, which contains glycolic acid. Now we are going to see acne. It is also known as acne vulgaris. It is long-term skin disease that occurs when hair follicles are clogged with dead skin cells and oil from the skin. Causes: genes, stress, several medications, hormonal activity, eating chocolate or greasy food. Cosmeceuticals used for the treatment of acne. Topical retinoids to reduce inflammation. Example: tretinoin, isotretinoin, adapalene, tazarotene and retinaldehyde. Antibiotics to reduce the stimulus for inflammation of the lesion and antibacterial activity. Example: mostly used erythromycin and clindamycin. Benzoyl peroxide. It is a topical disinfectant employed as peeling agent for acne treatment. Azelaic acid, naturally dicarboxylic acid, inhibits the protein synthesis of P. acne species. The marketed preparation is Acne Star, which contains clindamycin. as an antibiotic. Now we are going to see pigmentation. It is disturbance of human skin color which may be related to loss of melanocytes or the inability of melanocytes to produce melanin or transport correctly. As we know that melanin is responsible for our skin color. Due to inadequate production of melanin, there is disturbance of human skin color, that is pigmentation. Sometimes we observe dark patches on the skin. Causes: exposure to sun, increase in melanin, that is hyperpigmentation, decrease in melanin, that is hypopigmentation, white patches on the skin which we called as vitiligo. Cosmeceuticals used for treatment: hydroquinone causes necrosis of melanocytes, azelaic acid inhibit tyrosinase, glycolic acid skin lightening property, arbutin inhibition of tyrosinase decrease melanin formation. Marketed preparation is Triluma, which contains hydroquinone. Now we are going to see wrinkles. It is also known as rhytide or rhytide. Skin wrinkles typically appears as a result of aging processes such as glycation, habitual sleeping positions, loss of body mass. Causes: age, exposure to UV light, repeated facial expressions, and smoking. Cosmeceuticals used for treatment: fillers injected in hypodermic tissue, enhance limited area of body for aesthetic purpose. Example: bovine collagen, autologous collagen, cadaveric collagen. Peelings causes microabrasion of epidermis of superficial derma by means of chemical and physical agents. Due to this microabrasion, some of the cells of superderma are removed. Example: pyruvic acid, salicylic acid, retinoic acid, trichloroacetic acid. And third is botulinum toxins injected for aesthetic purpose. The marketed preparation is Garnier, which consists of salicylic acid, which is peeling agent. Now we are going to see prickly heat, common type of skin rash called miliaria. Miliaria occurs in some people when they sweat a lot. It can be very itchy. Basically, prickly heat is caused due to excessive sweating or heat. Causes: blockage of sweat ducts, heat and humidity. Cosmeceuticals used for the treatments are calamine lotion or topical steroid creams, which reduce redness, irritation and swellings. Camphor and menthol, which gives cooling effect. Antihistamine medications, which reduce itching. Marketed preparation is Dermicool, which contains menthol, which reduce heat and gives cooling effect. Now we are going to see body odor. It is also called as bromhidrosis. Natural bacteria on our skin feed in our sweat and release the smell we call body odor. Causes: bacteria on skin, excessive sweating. Cosmeceuticals used for treatments are nothing but natural antimicrobial agents. Example: aluminium chlorhydrate, aluminium dichlorhydrate, aluminium chloride and aluminium zirconium. The marketed preparation is Dove, which contains aluminium zirconium, which is antimicrobial agent. Now we are going to see dandruff. It is a harmless chronic condition that occurs when the scalp becomes dry or greasy and produces white flakes of dead skin that appears in the hair or on the shoulders. Causes: dry skin, irritated, oily skin, not shampooing enough. Other skin conditions like psoriasis, eczema, yeast-like fungus, malaria, sensitivity to skin care products. Cosmeceuticals used for treatments. Ketoconazole, which is antifungal agent. Zinc pyrithione, which allows efficient scalp retention after rinsing. Salicylic acid, exfoliant that loosens weakly adherent flakes and allows them to wash off easily. Selenium sulfide, cytostatic agent reduce or inhibit the cell growth. Cyclopyrox, which is antifungal agent. Clobesterol, corticosteroid used to treat skin disorder. The marketed preparation is Nizorol, which is antifungal preparation, which contains ketoconazole, which is antifungal agent. Now we are going to see bleeding gums. Inflammation of gingiva caused by microorganisms that damage the cellular and internal tissue of gum line. Causes: poor oral hygiene, vitamin K and C deficiency, stress, mouth sores, bleeding clot disorder. Cosmeceuticals used for treatments. Anesthetic gel. Anesthetic gel numbs the area and reduces the bleeding and pain associated with it. Example: eugenol, benzocaine. Mouthwashes. Example: chlorhexidine. Gargles, acetophenone. Oral hygienes. Mouthwash and gargles helps to maintain the oral hygiene. The marketed preparation is Oragel, which contains benzocaine, which is anesthetic agent. We are going to see sensitive teeth. It is an intense and transitory pain caused by exposure of the dentin to the oral environment and which occurs when contact is made with the external stimulus like food or drink, which is cold, hot, acidic or sweet. Sensitivity is the pain caused due to external stimuli like cold, hot or acidic food or drinks. Causes: gingivitis, cracked teeth, plague, acidic foods, gum recessions. Cosmeceuticals used for the treatments are desensitizing agents which prevent transmission of painful stimulus to brain. Example: potassium nitrate. Cleansing agent which helps cleaning food and bacteria of the surface of teeth. Example: sodium phosphate. Binder which is used for product stabilizer. Example: xanthan gum. The marketed preparation is Sensodyne, which contains potassium nitrate, which is desensitizing agent. Now we are going to see dental cavities. Dental cavities are the most common dental problems nowadays. It is microbial infection disease characterized by demineralization and destruction of organic and inorganic substances of the teeth. Causes: not clearing teeth well, frequent snacking, sipping sugary drink, bacteria in mouth. Cosmeceuticals used for treatments are abrasives which removes plaque, stain, polish the teeth. Example: alumina, hydrated silica, dicalcium phosphate, calcium carbonate. Fluoride, which prevents decay of the tooth enamel. Humectants, prevent loss of water in toothpaste. The marketed preparation is Colgate, which is very popular in India, which contains fluoride, which prevents decay of the tooth. Now we are going to see mouth odor. It is also called as halitosis, an unpleasant or offensive odor emitting from the breath regardless of whether the odor originates from oral or non-oral sources. Mouth odor is nothing but bad breath The source of odor can be oral or non-oral. Causes: poor oral hygiene, stagnation of saliva, excessive smoking, pathological conditions like liver failure, diabetes, tuberculosis. Cosmeceuticals used for treatments are chlorhexidine gluconate, which is useful for the reduction of oral microbial growth, sodium fluoride, clove oil or peppermint oil. The marketed preparation is Listerine, which contains methyl salicylate. Conclusion: cosmeceuticals are the cosmetics that provide drug like benefits. They find a better way in these times as they benefit aesthetically as well as medicinally. This is a global trend in the cosmetic industry towards developing medicinally active cosmetics, and in pharmaceutical industry toward cosmetically oriented medicinal products as they have become a part of current lifestyle. The products like anti-wrinkle, anti-aging, sunscreen, which establish a link between internal health and beauty as seeking greater attention. According to today's changing lifestyle, the cosmeceuticals are gaining much importance. References: thank you.